Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute puppy, so let's get started. To draw this super cute puppy, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this much and draw another circle. So not too far apart. There. So now my two circles, and I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now with my two circles in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Here and here. And then let's draw a nose in between these eyes. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval. Nice simple dog nose. And I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw an oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Now that I have the nose in, I'm going to come to center about right here, come down a little bit, skip just a little bit of space, and then I'm going to give myself a point. Oh, just leave it like that. You can leave it like that, actually. That's actually really cute. But I'm going to put a mouth in here, a bigger mouth. So I'm going to come about here and just kind of wobble this curve, bring it out, and cap it off. And same thing here. And bring it up and cap it off. Aww. And if you like, you can even put in the tongue. But I think I'll just leave it like this. And then at the bottom right here, just going to draw a soft curve. There's just so many options. I'll put a little line right there. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to say, let's come to the top of the eye, and we're going to come out. So let's say about right here. Making a nice big head. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about the same amount of space, so about right here. And then, now that I have these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and come right here and angle out slightly. So same thing here. There. Now we have these 2 lines. We're going to bring it down. And I'm going to curve. So like I said, I'm not putting anything in a really big face. And let's see. So about right there, I can start to bring it in. It's one of those days when the sketching just ended up being like this for some reason. Where my dog had a really big face. So then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. And then we're going to come up, bring this up. So slant it in. And about right here, I'm going to bring it in towards the top, and then come right back down, just like the other side. There. Okay. And then for the ears, so about right here, I'm going to come in here and draw some floppy ears. Come up and kind of curve and wobble. And then we're going to bring it down. And about right here, dip it in, because we need to draw this little soft point. And then just come right here, touch this part and bring it up. This way I don't have to erase, but you could even bring this in and then you just need to erase. But I'm being lazy, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and just touch it. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And once again, we're gonna go up and just like the other side, just wobble. Then come down. And about the same area, we're just kind of make sure approximate. And same thing. Come right here with a curve, touch the side, and connect. There. Now we have a cute dog, right? Hopefully. We weren't sure earlier, but now that we put in the ears, then from there, and of course you can put in some cheeks right here when you color it, and then maybe put a little pattern on the head so it won't look so big. Then from there, let's go ahead and put a bandana as a collar. So I'm going to come about right here, and let's see, about right here, like the other side. And I'm going to draw a curve. So let's come right here and we draw a curve. Towards about right here, towards about the center. And then connect everything. So as I connect it on this side, I'm going to curve it and connect. So it's a little bit different on this side. And then let's draw the body. So now it's going to be super simple. We're going to come in a little bit and we're going to curve in, and then same thing here, come in a little bit and we're just going to curve in for the arms, the front legs I mean. So then towards this area right here, we're just going to skip a little bit of space and I'm going to give myself a little curve, then come right here and just draw a slight curve, very slight. Towards about right there, and then we're just going to connect everything. Bring it down. For the front, and then this side. So like I said, it's very simplified, and then connect right here. And you can put in two little lines right here on both sides. Aww. And then for the back, come about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve coming down for the back. So nice and simple. And then we're just going to tuck it in. So about right here, bring it down and just tuck it right in at the same level. And if you like, you can put in a curve right here. And then the tail. So I'm going to come right here and just put in a little short, cute tail. Oh, and that is pretty much it. But I thought it'd be really nice to decorate our bandana collar here. So this is just to inspire. You can decorate however you like, but since I need to put some hearts, since I need to put a heart, I'm going to put one right here, kind of stylish. Just decorate this bandana all over with some hearts. There, and there. needed something there. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of this cute puppy. I really hope you love it, and that you love the style as well, and it was easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.